YouTube? It's I Can Swim here with another tech tutorial made easy. In today's video, we're going to be setting the PS5 up in its vertical display position. Before we start, what you're going to want to make sure you have on hand is a flathead screwdriver or a coin, something that will be able to screw in a flathead screw. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing we want to do is open the PS5. What we want to do now is lay it on its side with the back facing up. Just like that. So on the bottom of the console, we're going to see this little plastic circle here, and we want to go ahead and take that, pop it out. So it's just this little piece right there. What we want to do is put that aside for a second. The next thing we're going to do is take the little stand that came with the console. It looks just like this. What we want to do is flip it over. On the back, we have this little compartment that we're going to slide and reveal this little screw. This is going to be very important, as this is what holds the stand to the console itself. So we want to go ahead and take out that screw, just like that. And it's got this little, see that little holder there? Not in the middle, on this right side. That's where we want to put that little circular cover we took out. So just put that right into the compartment, just like that. It'll sit nicely. And then the next thing we want to do is make sure that the stand is lined up with the two hooks in line with essentially the holder here. Once you have yours like that, we're going to flip it back over, put the screw through that little point in the center, so just like that. And then we're going to come over to the PS5 now, and where we took off that cover is where we're going to put the screw. And it should just slide right in like that. I'm going to give it a few quick turns, just because I want to reach over and get the screwdriver. You can probably hold yours though, and then just use your coin or your flathead screwdriver. Just give it a few turns, and it should lock. Just like that. So now, as we can see, the PS5 is ready to display.